It was a crisp autumn afternoon. Milo and Luca were collecting the most bizarre-looking leaves, when all of a sudden, then, curiosity took over.
Was that a bear with allergies?
Only one way to find out. Stealth mode. Activated.
Their search led to a giant tree.
Did that tree just blink? Leaf storm, take cover.
As the wind settled, Luca pulled out his emergency kit.
Confirmed. Severe seasonal branchitis.
I knew this ridiculously long scarf would save the day.
Just as things seemed calm, one sneeze later, Milo crash-landed in a pile of leaves.
Soft landing.
Yep, definitely allergic to orange.
And so, in the heart of autumn, they both learned, even trees have allergies.